This is a quick video about custom labels for hard drives. I'm sure you're like with me, we've ended up sourcing cheap drives off of eBay or other places for our test servers, and unfortunately caddies don't actually reflect the type of drive that's actually installed. So I found a place in Australia where they'll do custom labels. So here's a few examples of what I've had made up. First ones are the 300 gigabytes, which are based on the correct specs. Quick comparison. This is the genuine article, and this is the copy. As you can see, they're not actually a bad match. So also what I've done is I've got some custom ones for the SSD drives for my machine, for my x3650 Model 5 for the front, and a couple for the rear as well, which basically because I've had to use the different caddies for that, and they generally come with no stickers or labels, so that means I've now got plenty of stickers for there as well. But as you can see, quite happy with them. They look quite good, and they're not too dissimilar from the originals. They do a very good copy of the font for the drive, so quite pleased with them. Thank you for watching.